How to download Canva Student app. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Open up your Play Store in your mobile device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. At the top in the search bar, go ahead and search for Canva Student. Select on the application and click on the install button. The application might take a couple of minutes to install. Be patient while your app is being downloaded. Once the application is installed, tap on the Open button. Now to move forward with the process to use a Canva Student app, you can tap on Find My School, in which you can search for the district or your school name, after which you have to log in the particular portal. If not, if there is a QR system, you can just click on QR code, after which you can just scan for the QR code and continue with a Canva Student account. It is a quick and simple technique to do so. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.